This has been one of the best decisions we've taken. If we would have started on our own, we wouldn't have gone anywhere. My name is Hamza Beg, and my company's name is Zyntax AI Space, a natural language AI-driven tool which looks at the satellite imagery and presents it into actionable insights. We really got the insights and support from the program that, this is the direction that we need to head to. With the equity-free funding, we really utilized those funds in not just building our brand, but also utilize that for building our proof of concept. So that really helped us. We're now at a stage that we are presenting that to our potential customers and bringing in a lot of traction. I would 100% recommend this program to any founder who are just starting. All the support and the insights and the mentoring and the workshops that we have gone through, I think they have really shaped us in where we are right now.